Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today is going to be another field trip day. We're checking out a store called The Sewing Bee over in Johnson City. This store was phenomenal and I cannot wait to show you all of the great patterns and rulers that they had there.
block out front.
Okay.
Okay. There's 2 rulers in here, this one and this one. We're going to start with this one and put the blunt point here at the top of your 5-inch strip. And this down by the selvage, and cut that extra piece off. Cut it here and you've got your first triangle. And then you're just going to rotate your ruler and cut each triangle out till you get all the triangles you need and stack them up in a pile. Then you take your 3x6 rectangle, draw a line from here to here and cut that. Take your 2 pieces and line them up beside that stack of triangles just like this. Set them beside your machine just like this. Otherwise, you may end up sewing one like that. Okay? So that'll be helpful to stack those up. Now, when you go to sew your first one on, you want to make sure you have a little tip here and a little tip here. Okay. So put your triangles kind of centered in the middle. All right. When you go to put the second one on, you're going to watch this tip and this tip and make sure they're about the same height. Okay. And then line your fabric up, stitch that down just like that. All right. This is what you're going to end up with. Press the seams out, and you got your 2 little tips there.
Okay.
Then you use this ruler. And you're going to line this tip up with the tip of that triangle and the seam lines with this black line here. And then you're going to trim all the way around.
Okay.
So you end up with this, and you've got your 1/4-inch seam here. So when you put that next block on, you're not cutting your points off. Okay. Now this is usually $20, but it's on sale during Shop Hop for $18. Now we have another shipment coming in Friday of this size. This will make the 3-inch. If you want 3-inch, you go to this line here, and you go to that triangle.
Okay.
For your squaring, or it'll make the 4-inch.
Okay.
Okay, Carol used the 4-inch on hers out there. It comes with this, and this is all the instructions we just went over, and there's a free pattern back here.
Okay.
Okay. Now, because this is the only one I have left and I can't sell this, we're taking addresses, your name and address down here, and we will ship it to you. The only drawback is it's $5 for shipping.
Okay. Can you make that with the 60-degree creative grids rulers?
I don't know.
Like there's the mini diamond and the big diamond.
I don't know.
I think you.
Now we do have this one. It's the same thing, but it makes a 5-inch and a 6.5 inch.
Okay.
Now I've got plenty of these. I can sell some of these.
Okay. But it wouldn't get you down to the smaller size for the kid. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's the size that you need for the block.
For that block, yes. Mm-hmm. And we'll have more Friday. We got a delivery coming in Friday. Where are y'all from?
I'm south of Knoxville.
Oh, yeah.
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 If I gave you if I put this on here.
Oh, look at the stitching. How cute is that?
Or we could just call you when it's here and you can come in and pick it up. Yeah, we can do that. Yep. Go ahead and put your address on there. And when you go to check out, let Carol know.
Oh, this is cute
And
too.
you're gonna pick it up. Well, actually, you could probably just tell her. She'll take your address down in her book and then she'll call you when you come in. But they should be here Friday.
Okay. Thank you.
You guys have some great notions here. Isn't that pretty? You gonna make one of those, Kira?
Yeah, that's the Tennessee waltz now, and this is the Tennessee waltz up here, and these two, it's in different colorways.
right, guys, thanks so much for coming with me. I always love it when I can find a new, cool, fun ruler pattern at a store, and especially if they have a couple different options that you can use so that you're not just using that ruler for one quilt and then putting it away and forgetting about it. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. I had a great time here in Johnson City. Can't wait to come back again. If you like watching these unboxing videos, some of my tutorials, and all of these new fun shop hops, definitely hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.